Hello and welcome to today's video. I am Jessica, the Small Business Doula, and I help small businesses like you become prime contractors with the federal government. Today, I'm going to be addressing the frequently asked question, how long does it take to process a cage code in the SAM.gov registration process? So let's just jump in. Typically, it can take anywhere from 10 to 15 business days to process a cage code request along with a SAM entity registration. If you haven't processed your or submitted your registration in SAM.gov for your entity, then you want to actually go back to my video where I show you in a step-by-step guide on how to actually submit that application. So if you've done that already and now you're in the process where you're waiting for the government to do their part and you're at the cage code section, this is where that 10 to 15 business days is going to come into place. So it takes 10 to 15 business days. However, you want to please keep in mind that this is just an estimate and processing times can vary, based on different various factors. So if you're curious about the status of where your registration is in the process, you can do like a quick view inside of SAM.gov by checking your entity's workspace or by clicking the check status button on the home page of SAM.gov. And additionally, you can actually find that check registration link located at the bottom of each page on the website. But if you have any like specific questions or concerns, I would urge you to reach out to the cage code processing department, and their information can be found on the website. But I also wanted to provide it to you here. It's the DLA Customer Interaction Center, and their email address is dlacontactcenter@dla.mil. So that's DLACONTACCenter@DLA.mil, or you can call the 1-800 number at 1-877-352-2255. And you can also find questions, or if you have any additional questions or regarding your cage code, they also have like some frequently asked questions that you can find on the website as well. In the event that you notice that your registration has been in that submitted status for 15 business days or longer, make sure that you check your workspace and your check status button on the web page to make sure that they both say submitted status. Because if they don't and they don't match, then you want to put in a help ticket with the Federal Service Desk. Okay? Thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Your support means so much to me, and it helps me to create more informative videos like this one. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment sections below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.